Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have 4 ways that you can redecorate an entire room without spending any money at all. Let's get right into the video. First thing we're going to do is take stock of the entire room. What exactly in the room that you can change. Think about exactly where are you going in the room. It doesn't have to be drastic, just a few simple things. Well, this is the exact thing I've spoken of. Even though your rooms may look different in your home and add splashes of different colors throughout, you can connect them all with, just as I said, with color. The different textures and patterns that you have going on in the room, and your entire house will cohesively flow throughout. And an easy way to redecorate an entire room in your home is by doing just that, shopping your entire home, going room by room and plucking different items from each space to be placed in another room. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to address the windows here. I like the look of these curtains that I have here already, which are some that I have made, and I have made some in this same color throughout the entire house. But I do have a lot of old drapery that I have kept that I know I'll switch up from time to time. Go and shop my home, as I said before. These are a creamy off-white color, very bright and light, but I thought I would add a hint of color in the space. So I went right to my office inside of my closet where I have a lot of fabrics and curtains and things like that. And I thought I'd just swipe a pair of those and add those to the space. Now, once I remove them from the hangers that I do keep them on, I will have to go in with a iron or a steamer and press them out. These are a very lightweight curtain that I'm going to add to the space, made of a satin and a polyester blend. And once I get them hung on a vertical, which is a lot easier for me to do rather than iron them on a top of a board, which I do as well. But this time I'm going to use my steamer and press away some of the wrinkles and lines that they do get while they are stored away. I'm done with that. I will show you the final look of that space. Next thing we're going to address is the bed. This is another easy way that you can shop your home, and I know as women and men, we have many pillows. Me being a pillow maker or a pillow cover maker, I have excessive amounts of pillow covers in many different colors. But as you can see throughout the house, it is the same pretty much color scheme. In some rooms they're a little bit more blue, and in some rooms I have added a little touch of gray in the space, as it is here in my guest bedroom. So I'll just do a little shopping there and take the cream and gold leopard, which of course you can find linked down below in the description box, and a few other pillows that I have added also to the Etsy shop. I'm going to take this roll pillow and bring that to the space as well, and then once I've done that, I will gather them all together, take stock of everything that I have, and decide what I want to keep and what I don't want to use in the primary bedroom, and then go ahead and start to dress the bed as you see me doing here. And once I am done with that, then we will move on to the next area. With the bed, I am going to keep my base, which is the comforter set, or rather in this case the coverlet set that is on the bed, because in my other room as well I do have the exact same coverlet, which is in this cream color, as a base to jump off for with any color that I desire in each space, which makes it a lot easier when I am using basic neutrals in the space. Next, Next, I'm going to address some accessories in the space. I'm going to go right into my office, which I have these gold lamps because, of course, you know Chanel, she likes me gold. And I'm going to add those to the room as well. Or rather, I'm going to see how they look, if they are tall enough in the space, because my headboard, as you see, is very, very high on the wall, and so a smaller lamp wouldn't do in the space, and the ones that I have here pictured are very tall in height. And then I'll just go ahead and remove these old lamps, which I'm going to keep because in my opinion they are very classic and classy, and I still like them very much. Then I'll head to another room, which is my maker room. Along the big wall of towers and cabinetry, as you can see here, I have plenty of accessories that I can use to adorn different areas in the primary bedroom, like adding books to the side of the bed, as well as a vase, and maybe filling it with some flowers or a few other little tchotchkes, as we call it, along the space. You know Chanel loves her flowers, whether faux or real, and I will just take those that I already have in the space and then add these tulips, which I do adore very, very much, and just go ahead and add those along the table in between the two chairs in front of the blue curtains to add a bit of contrast. I'll also address the wall and take from the maker room as well another big piece of wall art, and this is all just to show you how you can decorate an entire room over in your space, in your home, by doing just that, shopping your home at little to no cost at all. Well, in this case it's at zero cost, as you've seen during the entire video. So I thought I'd make this quick video and showing you how you can rejudge an entire room again with little to, as I have done here, no cost at all to your pocket. Save yourself some coins or dollars. Always stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, then for someone else. This has been Chanel, and have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all for the next one.